G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, as the thumbnail suggests for this video, I will be replacing this rather ratty and disgusting shifter boot on my Hyundai Getz. Now, this car is a 2004 Hyundai Getz model, and by looking at this shifter boot, this looks to be the original one because it's very well worn out and yeah, rather dirty. So what I've done is on Temu, I found these universal shifter boots here. As you can see, it's just like a vinyl, it's not real leather, for only $4.35 I think it was. So they're universal fit, so that's what I'm going to replace this dirty, worn out old one with, guys. And I'm going to just show you how quickly and easily it is to swap these over. So all you need is basic tools. Just got like a filler blade here, and yeah, just got a couple of clips to lever off. But first we got to take the shifter knob off here. So I'll just undo that. And then we just get our blade. There's a few clips. And just slowly lever that out. It should just pop off just like that. Look at that, guys. Simple as that. There's the bracing where all the clips are. And then we're just going to swap this over, throw this away, and put that new one on. So I'll prepare that, and yeah, I'll show you the end result. So it's just wrapped around. It's got these slots in there in the original one. Just undoing this with one hand. As you can see, just unravel it from those little tabs. And man, this is sticky. Disgusting. Let's put it on the floor here. So toss that out, and we'll get the new one and wrap it around the main base here. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and finish this off, I just wanted to show you this quick clip. Now, because the brand new universal shifter boot here doesn't have the slots that the original does to reveal the clips on the other side when you press it in, you have to just cut them out yourself. Alright, it's very simple to do. All I did is line up where I want it. I got to do the front here and this other side just to show you that these sides aren't done. But yeah, you just put the boot over the actual plate here, and then all I did was press the actual boot onto the clips here underneath, so I could get an impression of where the clips go, and then just grab my scissors here and cut the tiniest of slots to yeah, poke them through and line them up. So I'm gonna do the other two, and then we'll go and reinstall the boot over the shifter. Alright guys, so I revealed all them clips through the material. It's just a matter of popping it back into place. There we go. Nice. Nice new shifter boot there. And we're going to just screw on the gear shifter. So yeah, definitely 1,000 times better than this crusty original one. I dare say this would be the original one. It's filthy, sticky, worn out. That's definitely going straight into the trash. Right guys, well that's it. It's all back together. I just decided to clean the center console. Some good old Armor All multi-purpose cleaner here, just sprayed it down. It's rather dirty. And I also put this back on. This is just a shifter knob. It's a rubberized one. Feels pretty decent in the hand. You get this off Temu, I think it was like $2. And also just reinstalled these little belt divider things that go on the side of your seat. These are off Temu as well. Bought these a while ago. I don't know how much they are, but I'll link all this stuff in the description below. These are basically self-explanatory, just so you know, if you're eating in your car, no French fries or food gets down into the bottom of your seat there, you know, in between the console, or coins, you know, there's nothing worse than stuff falling in there. So that just stops it, bounces off and ends up in the little tray here instead. But there you go guys, just a quick and simple replacement with a new gear boot shifter here for the Hyundai Getz. These are universal, and it looks a lot better than what that old crusty one was. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, just a quick simple video how to swap it over within minutes. There you have it, guys, for the Hyundai Getz 2004 up to the later models, I think 2010 it would apply as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. If you like this video, give us a good old thumbs up, and subscribe if you wish to. It'd be great to have you on board. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.